Hey friend, congratulations on grabbing my freebie. Now you can do one of two things. You can watch this video and go through this freebie with me, or you can just read the ebook that I have provided for you so you can get started in digital marketing, offering digital products in your business. Now, do I sell physical products? I sure do. But while I'm selling physical products, I also offer digital products. Why? Because physical products requires me to work. It requires me hands-on every day of the week, meaning I can only sell one shirt to one customer. But when I sell digital products, I can create one digital product and I can sell it to thousands of customers. Yeah. Yesterday, I was driving to take my kids to my mom. On my way back, guess what happened? I got an email saying, hey, someone has purchased this. Y'all, I was driving. I was not in my shop working. That's the beauty of digital products. I'm going to break it down to you in a way that you can add a digital product to whatever type of business you have. Yes, you just don't have to be a designer. You don't just have to sell AI images. Any business that you have, you can add a digital product to it, like an ebook. Say, for instance, you're a realtor. You can jump in one of those communities, get one of those free how to fix your credit. And as you're selling houses, you can also on the side sell that customer the digital product of how to fix your credit so you can be better positioned to purchase this home at a lower interest rate. So don't think because I'm showing you guys images that, oh, this is the only digital product you can offer. No, I have a lot of digital products. It doesn't just end with me selling images. The digital world is so big, so wide, and you have a place in it, and I want you to go ahead, get started, and jump in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through this ebook with you. So the 5-step process: design, upload, get paid. You can design whatever digital product you have to offer, upload it to one of the sites like Stand Store, Payhip, Beacon, Shopify, Etsy. Upload it to that site and get paid. Yes, get paid. Step 1, you want to choose your niche. Your niche is what it is that you want to sell to your customer. Like I just told you, if you're a realtor and you want to sell how to fix your credit to your customer, then your niche is only credit repair, credit restoration, credit building, how to get things off of your credit report. Yes, that's your niche. So the only thing you're talking about when you're building your content is repairing your credit. Like for me, I'm only talking about the different AI images because what? I'm selling AI images to people who don't know how to create AI images or to people that just getting started and they don't know where to start. So my niche is creating AI images, AI videos so that people can go faceless on social media platforms. For me, like right now, I don't have my hair done. I'm not camera ready, but on days I'm not camera ready, I can come here, generate an AI image, make it into a video, and still do content. So the first thing you want to do, you want to choose your niche. And then when you choose your niche, you want to think about what it is that I'm doing for my customer. What am I offering them? Like quotes, affirmation, wall art, social media templates, t-shirt or product mock-ups. Are you doing seasonal? Are you doing niche graphics? What are you doing? Seasonal is when doing it by the holidays or even with sports. When it's football season, when it's baseball season, when it's softball season, when it's hockey season. So that's seasonal. But when you do niche graphics, it's like I'm only creating images that's going to speak to a certain group of people. Like sports moms would be a good niche because, baby, we love to come to the field on Friday night looking good. Because when I walk past everybody in the stands, I need them not to be paying attention to the game. I need them to be looking at my shirt with my baby all over it, right? So that's a niche where I'm only marketing to sports moms. You kind of narrowing it down. And when you pick a niche, y'all, you actually streamline the process. You have a clearer vision of what you're trying to do. You're not all over the place. You only speaking to a certain group of people every time you're talking. So step 1, choose your niche, what it is that you want to do. After you choose your niche, you want to think about, if you're using AI characters, you want to think about, do I want the realistic, the cartoon kind of person? Right here on page 2. So right here on page 2, I'm telling you, use either ChatGPT or Microsoft Design or any other AI tool and use this prompt. I'm telling you what to do, right? So right now, we're just going to copy this prompt. And I'm going to go into chat. I'm going to paste this prompt right into chat. But I'm going to erase that. And I'm just going to hit enter. Now you see, chat is doing its thing. And if I like this image, I can use this image. But if this is an image that I don't like, something about her I don't like, if I wanted her to have on a necklace, I'll simply copy this again and put, let me just show you. I'll copy this again, paste it. And right here where it's showing what all she has on, and I will put, she is wearing a gold necklace. Because there's something about this image I don't like. And I'm just going to hit enter. And you see it added the necklace like we wanted it. Okay. Even also changed her outfit. And there's our image right here. Now, if I wanted to take this image into Canva, I can just copy it, go back into my Canva. And what I'm going to do, you can paste this image into Canva. And if I wanted to take her background off, I can do background remover, or I can come here, do magic grab, click on her, do grab, let it do its thing, and there it is. Delete her background. And there she is. You have an AI image just like that, and she looks realistic. So let's get back on task. So we just created our first AI image. And if I wanted her to be a cartoon character, I would just simply take the word realistic out, replace it with cartoon, and she will look something like this. Now, tip, choose a style that reflects your personality and that your audience will find useful or inspiring. Step 2, design with purpose. You want to use ChatGPT, you can use Canva, you can use Microsoft Design to build and create your AI images. Same thing if you want to do the credit repair. You can use those same tools to build your digital product, okay? Step 3, you want to package your product. This is when you turn your images or whatever product you're selling into a downloadable product. You want to use a PDF or a PNG format. You want to organize the folder by theme or style, and you want to add a thank you note or a useful tip. On step 4, you're going to sell it on the right platform. You want to go through these different platforms. There are so many more, y'all, because I don't have Beacon on here, but Beacon is one that people use to sell their digital product. So I recommend Stand Store because it's very user friendly. You can go through and update stuff as you learn more, change your prices. You know, it's endless of what you can do in Stand Store. And once you make your first 100,000, you no longer have to pay for Stand Store. You don't have to pay for it anymore. So you want to keep it simple, set up a Stand Store or link your Canva products to a checkout page and start sharing it on social media. So step 5, you want to promote with confidence. So let me tell you this. A lot of you guys always say, I don't want to sound salesy. You don't have to sound salesy. You don't have to sound like you're selling somebody something. Because let me tell you what you're doing. I want you to stop thinking I'm trying to sell somebody something to earn money. No, you're giving someone the opportunity to change their financial situation. When you look at your product in a way that, hey, when my customer get my product in their hand, they're going to be able to change their financial circumstances. They are no longer looking for a second job because they're creating income in the comfort of their own home with their children present with them at night. Their children do not have to wait on them to take a break to respond to their text or call. No, I'm in my kitchen. I'm in my bedroom building my digital products, creating my digital products. I'm out at my children's game. People are purchasing my digital products. And guess what I'm doing? I don't have a second job, but I do have additional sources of income. Like for me, my niche is I speak to working moms that want to add additional sources of income to the income they're already earning. So for me, when I speak to my customers, I'm simply telling them, Are you looking to start a second job? Why start a second job when you can create money from home with your family present? When I'm talking to my customers, that's the only person I'm talking to. For me, it's that mom that wants to have more money so she doesn't have to tell her children no. She has the choice to say, no, I don't want to purchase this, versus I can't purchase this. She has a choice whether she sit at her kitchen table and create her digital product or get off of work and clock in another job and she's not home with her kids. The very thing that you want to do for your kids, you want to be able to give your children a better life. But how can you give them a better life when you're not present at home with them? When you're building your digital products, don't think of yourself as I'm trying to make money. No, I'm trying to help the next woman enjoy the same lifestyle that I enjoy. Sitting at home with my kids at my kitchen table, watching them do all the things, telling them to be quiet while I'm building my digital product. And guess what? When I build this digital product, it's taking me 20 to 30 minutes to do. I'm doing it one time and I'm selling it to thousands of customers. You get it? Versus when I make a t-shirt for a customer, I only can sell that one t-shirt to one customer. But when I sit down and I build a digital product, I'm creating that digital product and I'm selling that digital product to thousands of customers. Because anybody who comes to my page, click on my link, purchase that digital product, I made the digital product 6 months ago and it's still making me money today. I'm on another one right now. But because my content is still out there, when new customers see my content, they just clicking the link in my bio. They're clicking the link in the description. And they're purchasing something that I made 6 months ago. So you're not selling them anything. You're giving them a chance to enjoy the lifestyle that you enjoy. So stop looking at yourself like I'm selling to people. No, baby, you're giving them an opportunity to live a relaxed, stress-free life. That's it. Now listen, I'm gonna run through this real quick because I need you to get this. If you don't listen to nothing else I said in this video, only thing you're gonna do, you're gonna choose your niche. Identify what it is that you want to sell. What problem does it solve? That's step one. Identify what it is that you want to do. Once you do that, you're going to build it. You're going to design the digital product. You're going to create the digital product. Step two. Step three, you're going to package your product. You're going to put it in a PDF form, upload it on to your website, your stand store, whatever. That's step four. And then five, you're going to promote your digital product with confidence. Okay, now you know what you want to sell. Step two, you want to create your digital product. Step three, you want to package your digital product. Step four, you want to upload the digital product that you just packaged onto a site that you want to sell it on, a selling platform. And step five, you want to promote your digital product with confidence because that's how you're driving people to purchase your digital product. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. I always respond, okay? So if you have any questions, simply leave me a comment and I will help you as much as I can. Now, if you want to use my freebie, it's $7. Use it, okay? $7 only. So, hey, girl, I need you to start selling it today. Start fast. Start now. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Do it today. Bye, friend.